Welcome back, everybody. It's Mark. Well, it's the day after the tournament. I wanted to go out, decompress, and just do some fishing alone and out at Bull Shoals, and this is what happened. I caught my PB white bass. That was exciting on the A-rig. You're going to see that. Right after that, I caught a nice largemouth, and it just continues. It was a great day. But here you go. Check it out. This is by far my biggest white bass of all time. All right, let's measure him up. I don't know how much. 16 3/4 of an inch. Feels pretty chunky. 4 pounds, 2 5/8. 4 pounds, 2 5/8. This is definitely my personal best white bass. We're gonna send him back home. Wow, that was awesome. Oh my God, that's a good one. Another good one. Oh shit. Are we doing, look at that fish, you guys. Oh, look at this bass on the A-rig. Let's weigh you. Why not? 3 pounds, 1 ounce. Wow. First cast with the ChatterBait, and I catch a fat spotted bass. I mean, a fat one. They chased it out from underneath that dock. We're definitely gonna weigh this chubby. He is 13. 1 pound, 2 ounce. He's a keeper, but I mean, we're trying to upgrade, but I mean, you don't want to throw it back at keeper, so we got 1, 2. We'll put him on this side. Okay. We still got the ChatterBait tied on there. go. Here we go. Okay. Oh, that's a big one. Hey, baby. What are you doing? Oh, my God, you guys. Okay. We're catching them today, boys. Look at that toad hammer. All right. Oh, this is bigger than the other one, I think. $2.14, almost a 3-pounder. So, I mean, you guys, I don't know if people are catching them out here. I haven't seen anybody catch any fish around me. So, this is getting pretty good. Okay. Dude. Maybe we can. Oh my God. There's fish schooling in here. Schooled up. There we go. There's a bunch in here. Oh, there he is. Hello. Numero uno today. How big are you? I think you're 15. Player? You're 14. You're a little guy. Go get bigger. Hello. I'm gonna let you go, even though you're 12 inches. Yep, got him. These are the males. Where you took my Senko, you little punk? Can you get him back? Hell, oh. No. Come here, baby largemouth. I can't believe you ripped off my Senko. You probably thought it was a bluegill chilling on the bed and you just wanted, huh? Oh, that was fun. I like this sight fishing business, but I ain't hooked up no females yet. Hello, Mr. Smallmouth, or Meanmouth. What do we got here? It's a Meanmouth. Okay. I only have maybe another half an hour, so we're keeping them all now. All the biggies. No, this ain't a big one. 1 pound 5/8. Every pound counts at the end of the day, though, you guys. Do not put fish back. We got 2 largemouth, 2 spots. What are we gonna get next, you guys? Okay, that's 5. That's a good spot too. Real good spot. He was hungry. Hello, hello. You just settle down, man. You got that hook buried in my carpet now. Got a limit. Here, we're gonna weigh him real quick. I'll put him in live weight. £1 pound 5 ounces. It's a good spot. He's healthy. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. These are some techniques that work out at Bull Shoals. You use the A-rig, you can use the ChatterBait, and of course, deadly topwater action. People don't do it enough out here, but you can really waste these fish with a topwater bite. So, at any rate, thank you guys very much for watching. If you liked it, like it, and please subscribe. Have a great day. I'll see you real soon. Take it easy.